Parrot egg incubation is a delicate process crucial for successful hatching. This video delves into various aspects of parrot egg incubation, from choosing the right incubator to caring for hatched chicks. Choosing the right incubator. Selecting an appropriate incubator is vital for successful parrot egg incubation. Factors to consider include size, temperature control, humidity control, ventilation, egg turning mechanism, and visibility. Optimal conditions for incubation. Maintaining consistent temperature and humidity levels is essential throughout the incubation period. Recommended temperature is around 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit, 37.5 degrees Celsius, while humidity should be 40-50% initially, increasing to 60-70% towards hatching. Preparing the incubator. Before placing eggs in the incubator, it must be cleaned and sanitized thoroughly. Setting up temperature and humidity controls accurately, positioning eggs correctly for optimal heat distribution, and regular monitoring are crucial steps. Collecting and preparing parrot eggs. Proper collection and preparation of parrot eggs are essential for successful incubation. This involves identifying fertile eggs, handling them with care, and assessing viability through candling. Incubation techniques. Parrot egg incubation can be done through natural or artificial methods. Each method has its own set of requirements and considerations. Creating a homemade incubator is also an option for artificial incubation. Monitoring and maintaining the incubation environment. Continuous monitoring and maintenance of temperature, humidity, and other environmental factors are necessary for successful incubation. Regular checks, prevention of contamination, and troubleshooting common issues are essential. Candling and egg development. Candling is a crucial step in monitoring egg development during incubation. It involves shining a light through the egg to observe embryo development stages. Understanding these stages and identifying signs of healthy growth are essential. Hatching and caring for chicks. Once hatching begins, proper assistance may be required. Recognizing signs of readiness, assisting the hatching process when necessary, and establishing a suitable brood environment for chicks are vital steps. Post-incubation considerations. After hatching, monitoring the health and development of chicks, providing proper nutrition and environment, and ensuring socialization and care are crucial for their well-being. Troubleshooting and common issues. Various issues may arise during incubation, such as infertility, disease, or stalled hatching. Identifying and addressing these issues through proper care and intervention methods can increase the likelihood of successful hatching.